Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever wish you could just rearrange blog posts on your Jupiter X site? Put your newest content on top or highlight an older gem? Well, today's your lucky day. I'll show you how to change the sort order of your posts using the Jupiter X blog posts widget in Elementor. And if you're new here, Jupiter X is a WordPress theme that supports Elementor. No Elementor Pro needed. Let's get started and display your content exactly how you want it. Okay, here are the blog posts we'd like to reorder. Alright, now that we're at the top, let's click on Edit with Elementor to open the editor. Alright, let's expand the sort and filter settings so we can adjust the order of these posts. Now, I'm going to click the Order By drop-down to change how these posts are sorted. Okay, I'm opening the Order By settings here. With title as the order factor, posts will be sorted alphabetically by their titles. If you choose Menu Order, it shows your items based on the custom order number you set in WordPress. Edit a page or post, set a number in the order field. Lower numbers show first, so you control the order. Finally, I'm going to select Date from the Order By drop-down. This will order the posts by their published date, which is what we want. Alright, now let's set the order to ascending to put the oldest posts at the top. Now I'm going to select the ASC ordering option. Selecting the ASC ordering option will display the posts in ascending order from the oldest to the newest. I'm going to switch back to descending. Next, I'm clicking in the Offset field. This will allow me to skip over a certain number of posts. For example, typing 2 into the Offset field will skip the first 2 posts from the beginning. And there you have it. You now know how to control the order of your blog posts in the Jupiter X blog posts widget. By adjusting the Order By, Order, and Offset settings, you can ensure your most important content is always front and center. I hope this video helped you out. Now go make some amazing stuff. See you in the next one.